Hello, welcome to Comica channel. This is an unboxing and user guide video for Comica Ejoy D10 RGB cardioid dynamic microphone. Open the Ejoy D10 packaging box, and you'll find the Ejoy D10 microphone, a 2-in-1 audio cable, a microphone stand, a touch fastener, a user manual, and a warranty card. The top of the Ejoy D10 microphone features a dynamic mic capsule. Make sure to point this part toward the sound source for optimal recording. The front section has a windscreen on the outside and an RGB lighting zone in the middle. On the front panel, you'll find the dimmers button, status indicator light, and a monitoring volume knob that also functions as a muting button. RGB light, audio dynamic, Comica orange, sea wave, colorful breathing light, RGB slow wave, rotating rainbow. Red light keeps on during muting status. Genasi button. Should press to turn noise cancellation on or off. Status indicator light. In normal use, the blue light stays on. In dimness mode, the green light stays on. When muted, the red light stays on. Monitoring volume knob / muting button. Rotate to the plus direction to increase the headphone monitoring volume. Rotate to the minus direction to decrease the headphone monitoring volume. Should press to turn muting function on / off. The bottom of the microphone features the gain adjustment switch, EQ effect button, EQ effect indicator light, RGB lighting button, 3.5mm headphone monitoring jack, USB-C port and XLR input. Gain adjustment switch. Slide left or right to adjust the full level gain. EQ effect button. Press and hold to turn the EQ effect on or off. Should press to switch between the 3 EQ settings. EQ effect indicator light. When the EQ effect is set to bass, the light turns orange. When set to natural, the light turns blue. When set to bright, the light turns green. RGB light button. Long press to turn light effect on / off. Short press to switch 6 light effects. 3.5mm headphone monitoring port. Plug in 3.5mm TRS headphone for real-time monitoring. USB-C port. Connect to devices for digital audio output via the 2-in-1 audio cable. XLR port. Connect to audio interface. Recorder. Mixer. For analog audio output via the XLR or XLR 3.5mm TRS audio cable. Ejoy D10 boom arm kit installation. Firstly, clamp the stand base of boom arm to the desktop. Tighten the screw on the bottom clockwise, and then insert the boom arm into the base socket. Fix and adjust it by the screws on the side of the base. Next, connect the mic threaded hole to the boom arm screw. Rotate clockwise to fasten. Last step, adjust and fix the mic through the locking knob on boom arm. Already done. Ejoy D10 desktop stand kit installation. First, connect the threaded hole of mic to the screw of the desktop mic stand. Rotate clockwise to fasten it. And then adjust the angle of mic through the locking knob on it. Quickly done. Digital output. Connect the mic to smartphone, iPad, computer, through 2-in-1 audio cable. If you need to connect to a device with a lightning port, please purchase a USB to lightning adapter or cable that supports OTG functionality separately. Analog output. Connect the mic to audio interface. Recorder. Mixer. Via the XLR or XLR2 3.5mm TRS audio cable. When outputting analog audio through the XLR port, all other functions are unavailable except for the dynamic audio signal delivery. When connecting the mic to a computer, please click the sound setting and choose Comica Ejoy D10 as the output and input device. If the input sound is too loud when connected to the computer, users can adjust the computer's microphone properties, levels, to reduce the gain. Take the Windows system as an example. Thanks for your watching.